Yun yung binigay sa akin kasi nga sealed pa siya, tapos nasira yung box na i-deliver nila, hindi na nila pwedeng dalhin sa store, so nilagay sa basura. Nakita niya ako doon naglakad, sabi niya, "You want it?" Sabi ko, "Yeah." They said it's still good because, or just see, still sealed. Ayan. They said it's still good because the box is broken, that's why they throw away. Because they can't put that in the store if the broken boxes. And they said they don't have room. His truck, he got a big truck, so that's the one I get it. So ayan guys, ang daming isda. Ipamigay ko to sa mga homeless